Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. First of all, thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel and also my Telegram channel, and keep those sharing with your friends and your known trading colleagues. This is a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, which index option to choose, whether it's a call option or put option, which strike price will give you a maximum benefit. And again, this video is for educational purpose. Share market involves huge financial risk, and consult your financial advisor before trading. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. Nifty on a 5-minute chart, though it opened as I expected on the downside and made a low of 177, 9,177. After that, it recovered sharply, and then it was like a kind of sideways market. There is no much movement throughout the day. It was just eating out all the premiums, and almost all the premium have gone to zero. Okay, what is there for tomorrow? If we go on a daily chart, also it has made a kind of small spinning top or something like that, undecisive kind of candle, and most probably if it opens below this 9,200 level, and if it sustains below this 9,200 level, every possibility that it might touch this 9,100 and further it might go down. So 9,000 is having a kind of clear visibility on tomorrow's trade. And on Bank Nifty is also the same thing. If you go to the 5-minute chart, it is no difference. It's a kind of symmetrical kind of triangle formation, whereas Nifty is a kind of downward channel formation. So the same thing over here, went down up to this kind of 9,300 level and then recovered, and then it was trading between this 9,600 to 9,400 or 420 levels. So throughout the day it was also eating out the premiums alone. And on a daily chart, what is have there for you? So until it touches and crosses this 9,900 or 800 level, don't expect Nifty to fall, Bank Nifty to fall drastically. So still it has a support zone of this 18,900 and 18,800 zone. And option chain, as usual, this is 7th expiry. Let us go to the 14th expiry. So 14th expiry, there is no much of volume build up for tomorrow. So for the time being, we will just leave this apart, but this will have a kind of major resistance tomorrow. So hopefully market might go down, because there is an 8 lakh contract over here, and there is no much contract only at 9,000 level. So there is a higher probability that market might go down up to this 9,100 level, and then it might touch 9,000 level if it is a kind of downtrend market. Otherwise it will be like same as today, it might be a sideways market. And then on Bank Nifty, it is again like a pure dry option chain data. So let us ignore this for the time being. On the global front, AJX Nifty is trading neutral for the evening session. So if the same thing exists tomorrow also you might expect neutral trading. There won't be like much of trading opportunities. It will be like just a premium meeting one. Okay, let us go to the slides. On slides, this is about the yesterday. Sorry for the dates, just forget about the dates. So on today's trading, I gladly accept there is a kind of losses, because there is no much movement on the both Nifty and Bank Nifty, because both of these two levels were out of the money. This was quite in the money, but it doesn't give any much profit. And for tomorrow's trade, this is the closing level, and again I am choosing this out of the money. If you are a kind of big pocket, you can choose this in the money, which might give you a smaller profit, but I would say don't go tomorrow unless otherwise there is a kind of trending market. If it is a sideways market, try to avoid options for tomorrow. Okay, and then the same thing with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closing is somewhere around 9,500 range, which is at the money. And then for tomorrow, the same thing, you can choose this 9,200 if it is a downtrend market. Otherwise it is going to be like a same sideways market, and it will just eat out your premium. So stay cautious. If it is a downtrend, you can choose either 9,000 PE or 19,200 PE. And coming back to the TLP program, I am just planning to start this program by Monday. It is going to be definitely a value addition in your trading career. So it is going to cover huge quite a good number of the concepts and also the topics. Hope this will be useful for you. If you are interested for the upcoming Monday batch, please do ping me on my WhatsApp number or my Telegram channel. Thank you, and have a wonderful and trading session ahead tomorrow. All the very best. Bye.